Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to enable dark mode on CoinGecko. Whether you are using Android device or your iOS device, changing to dark mode on CoinGecko is great for reducing eye strain, saving battery on mobile devices, and just giving the app a sleek look. So in order to enable dark mode on CoinGecko, launch open CoinGecko application on your device, and from the home page after logging in, click on Profile at the bottom right corner. From your Profile section, go ahead and look for the dark mode option under Preferences. Toggle on the button right next to dark mode, and this will turn your display into dark theme immediately. You can always switch back to the light mode from the same option. Simply turn off the switch to do so. Dark mode is better for nighttime users, reducing glare and eye strain. This works for both CoinGecko app portfolios and watch lists. So that's how you easily turn on dark mode or enable dark mode on CoinGecko in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.